Hi, my name is Sophie, and today I will do a book review on the book Charlie and the Chocolate Factory by ROALD DAHL. The main character of this book is Charlie Bucket, a regular boy. In this book, Willy Wonka, the owner of the largest and most famous, best chocolate-making factory in the world, has decided to open it up to 5 kids only. Just 5 kids. Now, who are these lucky 5 children? Find out in a minute. But first, how will these kids even know whether or not they get to go to the factory? Now, Willy Wonka says that in the newspaper, if you get a chocolate, Willy Wonka's chocolate, of course, and it has a gold ticket in it, then you get to go. And of course, every child probably in the entire world was looking for those golden tickets. But only 5 kids got those golden tickets. 5 very lucky kids. Let me read them off for you. So, let me just find the page. Okay, these 5 children are Augustus Gloop, a greedy boy, probably the greediest kid in the entire world. And Veruca Salt, a girl who was spoiled by her parents, probably even more spoiled than any spoiled kid in the entire world. And Violet Beauregarde, I can't pronounce that name, but she's a girl who chews gum all day long going nom 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 nom. And Mike TV, who does nothing but watch television. He probably watches television more than he even reads books. And Charlie Bucket, the hero. Yay for Charlie, isn't it? It's very good that Charlie gets to go in, because otherwise the whole entire factory would be opened up to these 4 greedy, I don't know what to say, kids. These kids, as one of Charlie's grandmothers says, need a good spanking. Well, of course, old people always say those stuff. But anyway, it is nice that Charlie gets to go, and he must be very happy too. My favorite character is Willy Wonka, because I like that his speech is silly and he's very funny sometimes too. My second favorite character is Charlie Bucket, because he's a kind boy and he definitely deserves to go to the chocolate factory. Now, Willy Wonka makes all kinds of sweets in the factory, not just, chocolate. Even though chocolate is amazing and it makes my mouth water just thinking about it. Now, Willy Wonka invents chocolate ice cream that never melts. Well, of course it doesn't never melt, but it doesn't melt for a long time. If you put it in the morning sun, it wouldn't melt for like hours and hours, which we would think it was impossible. But Willy Wonka has done it. He also makes chewing gum that never loses its flavor. You know how when you chew bubble gum, after a few chews, the flavor is all gone? But Willy Wonka's, bubble gum never loses its flavor. He probably should win an award for that. My least favorite characters in this book are, of course, Augustus Gloop, Violet Beauregarde, I don't know how to say her name, Veruca Salt, and the other boy, Mike TV. Because I don't like them, it's because they're so mean, and they're so spoiled, and they're so selfish and so greedy. They're very bad and naughty kids. But even though these kids are very naughty, I really recommend you to read this book if you like chocolate, of course, yum yum, and other ROALD DAHL stories. This book was also made into a movie, so if you're a movie person, you should check that out too. Thank you for watching.